This is the DJI Osmo Nano, a tiny hands-free POV camera. Let's quickly see how we can use it. This is the chest-mounted footage. It feels natural, stable and less shaky than a head-mounted POV. For walking and daily movement, this is the mount I would end up using the most, I think. Indoors, it keeps motion smooth without feeling robotic. Outdoors, it handles steps and turns surprisingly well. Mounted above the cap, the view feels very first person. You see exactly what I'm looking at. Inside the cap, it's a little more subtle, but the head movement becomes more noticeable. In my sitting position, I really have very less space from the top of the car, so it kind of blocks a lot of the view. From the top, you get a clean, uninterrupted view, great for cooking, camping setups, DIY work. Placed close to the action, it captures details without blocking what I'm doing. Handheld indoors, stabilization is decent, but this isn't where the camera really shines. Handheld outside footage is very usable, though I'd still reach for my phone here. Mounted on car roof, vibration would be noticeable at high speeds, but it shows what's possible. Side mounted, the movement feels more dynamic, but again this works I guess only for short clips. Also here I had the sun directly against the camera, so the quality is not top notch. When you power it on for the first time, the screen is simple and easy to understand. For most people, I would recommend starting with the 4K 16:9 resolution with a 30 frame rate. It balances quality, storage and battery life. Horizontal correction keeps footage level, especially while walking POV. For data transfer between the camera and your computer, you need to make sure that the lens is not pointing towards the screen of the camera. Once you move it away from the screen, it will show you connected, and then you can kind of get connected to the computer, and then you have to go into the settings and select like file storage, and it would show up on your computer. Here is everything that comes in the box, everything that you would need to shoot a good POV, and with the lanyard, with the suction mount, with your cap mount, everything that you would need. The version I bought has 128 gigs of storage, but it also comes in a 64 gig storage version. If you want something simple that captures moments without thinking about the camera, this does that well. So that's the DJI Osmo Nano, real use, real footage. Thank you.